In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move shapes to layers in Draw.io for Confluence and Jira. To get started, open the Confluence page or Jira issue where you want to organize shapes into layers in Draw.io. For this walkthrough, I'll be demonstrating the process from a Confluence page, but the overall flow is very similar in Jira as well. The goal here is to open your existing diagram, access the Layers panel, and then move one or more selected shapes into the layer you want. Once you're inside the page editor, locate the Draw.io diagram that contains the shapes you want to move. Click on the diagram to select it, and you should see a floating toolbar appear nearby. On that toolbar, click the edit icon. This will open the Draw.io editor in a pop-up window directly inside Confluence, allowing you to work on the diagram without leaving the page. After the editor opens, the next thing you need to do is make sure the Layers panel is visible. To do that, go to the top menu bar, click View, and then select Layers. This opens a small Layers window that lets you manage how objects are organized in your diagram. If you prefer using keyboard shortcuts, you can also open the same panel by pressing Ctrl, Shift, and L on your keyboard. Either method works, so use whichever feels faster and more comfortable. With the Layers panel open, select the shape or shapes you want to move. You can click a single object, or if you need to move multiple items at once, select all the relevant shapes before continuing. This is useful when you want to keep related elements grouped on the same layer for better organization and easier editing later. Now look back at the Layers panel. At the bottom of that panel, click the hamburger menu icon. A menu will appear with additional layer options. Hover over Move Selection to, and then choose the destination layer where you want the selected shape or shapes to go. As soon as you click the layer name, the selected items will be moved there. And that's it. Your shapes are now assigned to the layer you selected. Using layers is a simple but powerful way to keep complex diagrams tidy, especially when you're working with multiple elements, annotations, or design variations. It makes diagrams easier to manage and helps you control what's visible while editing.